Now my cartilage is a little bit better. I can speak with a little bit more bass in my voice. There's a little bit treble in my voice too. I'm just trying to open up my voice so that I can open up my cartilage, so that I can open up my Adam's apple and protrude it all. That way I speak with a big boom. Someone's trying to impede my voice. That's why they keep saying, come on, come on. And they keep talking over me. And my voice gets humbled down. Someone's speaking, humbling over me. I'm not sure who it is. Now my voice, okay, see, now it's coming back. Now my voice comes back. Someone just said Jiddi Mosi. Who said that? Wow, someone's fucking telling me I'm Jiddi Mosi. Everybody needs to put their voice on the YouTube. Because I don't like meshing my voice with other people. And the whole story behind Pisces mixing with a earth sign. If I have a Sudarshan chakra, then I don't need to mix my voice with anybody. See, someone's humbling me again. I don't know who these people are. They keep humbling me. They're fucking, my hyoid bone is like sunken. They're stealing my hyoid bone and they're talking and they're speaking into the mic and they keep fucking enthusiastically speaking after me, after thinking of me, and they're trying to get me to tag along so that my voice keeps fucking sticking to theirs. So that my sunken fucking Adam's apple keeps fucking additioning to their voice. My sunken Adam's apple. So that I don't get to speak long, I only get to speak short. Okay, now my voice is almost back to normal. I have a sunken Adam's apple. It's a sunken hyoid bone. They're not letting me push my voice back out. I have to keep pulling at my Adam's apple and the cartilage so that it get uprights again. See, there's too many fucking gay people, man. The fucking air signs keep kissing my ass, right? The air signs keep kissing my ass, and my fucking voice doesn't go back to normal. Now the pyramid lobe is sunken. The hyoid bone is sunken, so it's not protruding. And there's too many fucking air signs kissing my ass. Parm Tonk, fucking Amrit Kella, Pardeep Singh. There's too many fucking air signs. They're trying to hide my voice so that my actual voice doesn't come out. Still a couple air signs trying to hide my voice. It's like these parrots. Carn Voperi, all these fucking air signs are all parrots. They hear your voice, they parrot off. They say it later when they fucking want to use you. Chile, Chiria. See, now my fucking Adam's apple is sunken. My hyoid bone is sunken. I'm trying to put my hyoid bone back into regular place. I have too much nose grind going on. My Adam's apple is too tony. It's not supposed to be this tony. There's nothing in the air. Too many butt kissers, man. They fucking hear your voice and they keep kissing your ass. I die, I die, I die, die, ah. See, now the fucking hyoid bone. See, now it toned down a bit, right? Now the hyoid bone doesn't want to go back into protruding. So this is where I always feel like eating something, but it's nothing to do with food. It's someone stealing my voice and the fucking air signs planning a trap. The air signs always steal your voice and hide the fucking information from you. See, now the air signs have let go. Now my voice is coming back. Now I can use my whole nose. Now my nose is working. Now my sunken hyoid bone is coming back. So someone's let go of the fucking information thieving. Fucking Buttkiss air signs, eh? Buttkiss air signs. I quickly hide the information from the idol.